a long morning.
It's 2 in the afternoon and we're back home.
And Oliver's snoring.
He caught 45 fish
Because I'm
today.
smiling.
Oh, he needs a nap. Here he comes.
He's just the moment. So cute when he sleeps. Oh, look, look. Stretch. Stretch.
Ready?
He's like, what's going on? What's going on? Maybe I'll fall back asleep, he says.